morning, everyone.
Hello.
Today is Friday, October 5th, 2018, and it is exactly 1 year from when we posted our very first video. Now, I say posted, but we had been working on the channel for probably about 6 months before then, doing some test videos as far as recording video.
Getting used to the camera.
Yeah, getting used to the camera, trying to figure out our narrative. And then that review video, the Ruck Pack 40 review video, which was our first video, it took probably like 2 weeks to edit. And then, yeah, we posted it and somehow it just went off. Yeah. So now, 1 year later, that video has, I think, close to 150,000 views, which is kind of crazy that 150,000 people have seen that video. And so we've posted about one video a week on average. We have 52 videos live. This will be the 53rd. And over 1,000 subscribers. Like, it's crazy to us to think that something that is just kind of a hobby that we do on our trips has become so big, I guess. I mean, relatively.
At least interesting enough for 1,000 of you to watch it.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you so much
for spending a couple of minutes of your day to watch our videos.
Yeah.
Commenting. And you guys are kind of part of our lives now.
Yeah. All this to say that we're not slowing down and we're actually looking for new things to add to the channel. One of the ideas that came up was maybe we do a podcast, because it seems like you guys like our banter during the videos.
So why don't you just listen to it and or watch it
So
at the same time?
if you haven't seen Matt Diavella, go watch some of his podcast videos. That's kind of the idea that we're thinking as far as recording the video and the audio and posting both. Maybe not the content of the podcast. He focuses mostly on building a business and that kind of thing. That's not really us.
Let us know if you want to see that.
Yeah, leave a comment below if you want to see that.
We're coming into year 2, so we want to hear from you guys. And thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you. Have a good Friday.
And until next time.
Just against the rock.